want to give a special thanks to Mattel for sending this doll to us for free. What's up, doll collectors and gift givers? Here is another My Froggy Stuff Buyer's Guide. Today, we are taking a look at the Barbie signature Lunar New Year doll. On Amazon, we have seen this doll priced at $50. We've also seen it at Target and Barbie.Mattel.com. The release date was January 12th, 2021, where the designer is listed as Joyce Chen. This is the Model Muse body and the Mari face sculpt. This doll is a black label doll, so she is a collector's item. However, she shouldn't be terribly difficult to find. On the back of the box, we have a red box with a tan trim around the edge, and in the middle it says, Barbie Signature Doll. Lunar New Year is a 15-day celebration that begins with the first new moon and ends with the first full moon of the lunar calendar. The holiday is filled with festive performances and lucky red decorations, which symbolize prosperity and abundance. On New Year's Eve, families gather to celebrate with food, fireworks, and time-honored traditions. Barbie Lunar New Year doll is elegantly dressed in a red satin cheongsam, with a peony print symbolizing prosperity and good fortune. Her dress is finished with a delicate teal trim and Chinese knot-style buttons, while gold and teal tassel earrings, a stylish bracelet, and chic heels complete her look, honoring the history and the beauty of the holiday. May Barbie Lunar New Year doll become a cherished tradition in celebrations to come. I love when doll boxes give us useful information. But right now, let's get this doll out of the box for a closer look.
When you're up, you think you'll never go down, never go down. Ooh, once you're down, you think you'll never get up.
Out of the box, this doll comes with a paper certificate of authenticity, a doll stand that fits neatly under the doll's dress, so it is not seen when on display. She has dark brown hair that is parted in the center. The front is pulled back into a small ponytail behind the head, with the back of the hair loose. There is a slight curl on the ends. This doll has brown eyes, a red lip color. Her eyes and her eyebrows are a little shiny. I would have liked to have seen cleaner lines, however, her lip color is nice and smooth. She wears metallic gold-colored earrings with teal tassels. They are plastic. The teal tassel is painted, and I do believe we can remove them. Yes, they are removable, which is like the best in my opinion. She wears a long fitted dress. It is 2 shades of red. This one is almost burgundy, and the other one is a rich cherry red. The dress goes all the way down, stopping a little above the ankle, with an intricate floral printed pattern, with teal and pink flowers. The print is only on the front. The back is all burgundy. The dress has Velcro and is removable. The teal trim is double stitched at the top and has 3 knots near the neck. The trim at the bottom of the dress wraps to the other side. So we have some very clean edges here. And it does go around the entire bottom of the dress. She wears a nice pair of black heels. They are made of plastic. She has a gold bracelet and red painted fingernails. I think the dress is very well made. Loving all of those details. Since this is a Model Muse body, this doll has the basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. You know I am crazy over articulation. Personally, at a $50 price point, I would have liked to have seen a little more movement. You know, like an elbow, a wrist, and a knee. It doesn't even have to be made to move, although I would prefer it that way. So if you are looking to do a head swap, she does have a pretty fair complexion. You might be able to get away with this tall made-to-move Barbie, this curvy Barbie, and other dolls with a similar skin tone. I am interested in seeing how this dress will look on a classic Barbie body. This is one of my favorite new Barbie fashionistas. We're gonna try the dress on her, and I am very happy to say it fits with no problem. We are definitely getting some nice pieces with this doll that we can use across our collection. Because yeah, that dress we will definitely see again. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at the all-new Lunar New Year Barbie. Let us know in the comments down below if this doll is a buy or a pass. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Happy collecting! Bye!